Today we'd like to present our guest chef, Giraldo Gomez.
He's one of the chefs at Giraldo Park Country Club in Miami, Florida.
Today he's going to make seafood paella.
Chef Gomez starts with garlic and oil in a sauté pan.
Next, crawfish. Fresh mussels and shrimp.
Local clams.
He definitely doesn't skimp on the seafood. He gives it a little swirl and adds salt and fresh parsley.
Now he mixes the seafood thoroughly.
He now adds a little fish stock.
Next he covers the pan to steam the seafood.
A little stir.
Chef Gomez then adds fresh peas.
He adds yellow rice.
He mixes thoroughly. He wants to bring the sauce up from the bottom.
Now it's ready to plate.
Yes, that's one serving.
He's arranging the seafood on the plate.
Seafood paella.
We'd like to thank Chef Gomez for sharing his seafood paella recipe.